Technology continues to advance the way we live, eat, work, and play. As a result, innovations in the food processing industry are helping to create increased efficiencies and superior outcomes.
We use technology and automation in the food processing industry to try and achieve three main goals: increase throughput, increase quality, and lower overhead costs. So think better, faster, cheaper. We can use machines to defect sort agricultural products at a very high rate of speed, yet maintain a very high level of quality and consistency. And we can provide these services to our customers at significantly lower costs than what it would cost them to use hand labor.
In the tomato industry, processor tomatoes are grown in rows on the ground. Mechanical harvesters cut the entire tomato vine and shake off the tomatoes. They are then conveyed around the harvester.
Dirt clods and green tomatoes were removed by hand before the invention of tomato color sorters. These harvesters used to have anywhere from 10 to 15 people on them, and they could only do 7 to 8 loads a day. Now with the invention of color sorters, there's only 1 or 2 people on each harvester, and now they can do up to 30 loads a day. Woodside Electronics Corporation is a company that designs, manufactures, and services electronic sorting equipment for the food processing industry. The primary industries that we serve are tomatoes, walnuts, blueberries, and wine grapes. WECO has made the process of sorting tomatoes easier by designing electronic color sorters that can detect green tomatoes and dirt clods from red tomatoes. We do this by illuminating the tomatoes as they're falling from one conveyor to the other, and there are cameras that can detect the green tomatoes and the dirt clods and send the signal down to the rejector system, knocking the green tomatoes and dirt clods out and allowing the red tomatoes to go on to the truck.
Located in Central Valley, California, Woodside Electronics Corporation, also known as WECO, designs, manufactures, and services automation equipment for the agriculture industry.
Our primary products are optical electronic color sorters. These are machines used to defect sort agricultural products using cameras, a source of light, in our case we use LEDs, software with mathematical algorithms, and a method of rejecting bad products as they flow off the end of a conveyor belt. So for larger items like a green tomato or a dirt clod, we're going to use a pneumatic cylinder with a finger attached to remove the product once it's been identified by the cameras and sorted by the mathematical algorithms. With smaller products, like a blueberry, we can use just a precise blast of air to remove green berries or soft berries.
Here at Fedora Farms, we use the electronic color sorters to increase volume and productivity from 5 tons by hand sorting to 20 tons per hour while using zero labor and having more of a consistent product.
In the walnut industry, machines are used to shake the nuts off the tree and are then swept into rows before being harvested and put into trailers. They are then put through a cleaning line that removes sticks and rocks before hauling the walnuts.
While using the technology provided by the WECO moisture monitoring system, we are able to reduce labor, reduce fuel consumption, reduce electricity, and return the highest rate back to our growers.
Woodside Electronics designs, does research and development, assembly, installation of the equipment into the field, along with providing full service. California offers such a wide range of diversity in crops that it's really important that Woodside Electronics manufactures our equipment here so that we can not only maintain our relationships with the processors, but also with the growers as well.
The company rents most of its machines at fairly low rates, providing even small farmers or packers with access to the equipment.
Woodside Electronics lease program offers customers with the latest optical sorting technology while providing them with a cost-effective alternative to hand sorting. When leasing a color sorter from Woodside Electronics, all parts and service are included under that lease agreement, and also a trained technician will be available for 24/7 deployment if necessary.
From circuit boards to software, WECO machines are designed from the ground up in California.
I think the biggest opportunity for us to impact our industry is through the data acquisition and storage space. So using our sensors, using our sorters, using software that we've developed to help food processors and farmers trace their products from the field all the way to the consumer.
For more information, visit www.wecomotors.com. www.wecotech.com.